Welcome to Joy Tales at Little Steps, episode 13, Onyx and the Rescue. In the previous story, we saw that Mumba, Kwahu, Koko and Aya were going back towards their jungle after extinguishing the fire. But someone was following them. Let's find out who it was. Do you hear something? Asked Koko. Like what? There are so many sounds in the jungle, said Kwahu. No, not the usual sounds. I feel like someone is following us, said Koko. Let me fly higher to check, Kwahu said as he flew up higher to get a better view. Is it Taiga? Aya asked and sounded worried. No, it can't be Taiga. If it was Taiga, it won't take him this long before he attacks, Mumba replied. Everyone wait, Mumba said as everyone stopped. Kwahu, can you see anyone? Asked Mumba. Not yet, replied Kwahu. Mumba roared as they had now entered their jungle. Whoever it is, come face us instead of following. If you mean no harm, I don't mean any harm either. Come out, do not be scared to show your face, Mumba announced. Suddenly, a strong-looking horse jumped out in front of them. I am Onyx. I am sorry I followed you into your jungle. Why are you following us? What do you want, Onyx? Asked Mumba. I want to be a part of your team. I saw how you all stopped the fire, and only a good team can do so. I just want to be a part of something good, said Onyx. We don't even know you, said Kwahu. I understand. It is not easy to trust a stranger. Take me along and test me before you decide, replied Onyx. Kwahu and Koko looked at Mumba. Okay, Mumba agreed, and they all walked along together. You are here just in time, said Mojo. Why? What happened? Mumba asked. There was a landslide and most animals came out safely. But a baby koala is stuck on the hill. It is very hard to climb up the hill. The rocks keep sliding, replied Mojo. I can help, said Onyx. I can walk on rough paths. I will bring the koala down, added Onyx. But he doesn't know you, and he won't come down with someone he can't trust, added Mojo. But he knows me. I can ride on Onyx to reach the koala and bring him down, said Aya. No, we can think of some other way, Aya, said Mumba. Mumba, I know you don't yet trust Onyx, and you want to keep me away from any danger. But this is our only chance to save the koala. The landslide can happen again any time, said Aya. Okay, but be careful, Onyx. The path is very slippery, and one wrong step will slide you down too, said Mumba. Thank you, Mumba. I will take each step cautiously, replied Onyx. And in no time, Aya was riding on Onyx. They sped towards the hill. Aya and Onyx reached the hill, and now they had to take each step very carefully. Hold on tight, Aya, said Onyx. Wow, You really are able to walk on this rough path, said Aya. We horses have a great sense of balance, said Onyx. In no time, they reached to rescue the baby koala. He looked very scared, but when he saw Aya extend her arms, he leapt towards her. Aya grabbed the koala with her hands and on to Onyx. The koala was rescued and they were heading back down. They did it! Shouted Kwahu. Everyone looked relieved. Mumba built some trust into Onyx after seeing his skill and willingness to help. Onyx came down the hill with Aya and the koala safe. Everyone applauded Onyx. Right when they were celebrating their safety, a swirl of wind emerged around the trees. It looked like a tornado. What's happening? Wondered all the animals. Among the tornado appeared a very rare sight. I am the earth goddess, said a very strong yet calm sound. And I am here with a purpose, she added.